Welcome to our channel. We are Finchley Kitchens, a showroom based in North London, and today we're taking you on a tour of a kitchen we designed and installed in Mill Hill. Let's get started. We have an access door over here to make use of this understand area. Great way to just make the most of all of your storage in your kitchen. You have another access door, which goes around the corner again. Great storage. And then here we have hidden washing machine and tumble dryer stacked. And over here we had a freestanding American fridge, which we've built a housing around. So we have some open shelving here and just panels around the outside to just make a nice little pocket for the fridge. And on down to this side of the kitchen, we have a larder unit, which is on a nice push to open. Again, lots of storage. And then we have a dishwasher, and then a sink, which is great. A very large seal granite sink by Blackco, with a cooker tap, which we have the cube as well. So we have the sparkling and filtered water. And then more storage under the sink, of course. And then here we have the internal cutlery, and then lots of big pan drawers. And then at the end of the island here, we have a nice bin unit. And then here we have the Borer X Pure. So this is the Borer that has a flex zone as well as being able to fit 5 individual pans. So this is one of our favorite induction hobs. So yeah. And then underneath we have lots of storage again. We have 2 big pan drawers with an internal cutlery in this one. On this side of the island, what we've done here to maximize the storage is we've put Shunno cupboards on the seating side, so it's more for long-term storage. It's just a great way to use up the island and make sure we haven't wasted any potential storage options. Again, these are on a push to open. And as you can see here, what we really love about this island is that it's huge. What we really like to do is to kind of get rid of the wall units sometimes and just have a really nice open shelf. So in this kitchen, as you can see, we're not limited for storage. So what's really nice to do here is just have a nice open shelf, and it can become a place for you to kind of decorate, show a bit of your personality in your kitchen. But another nice feature in this kitchen is this full splashback. So we've gone with a 65 centimeter full splashback or full upstand. This is a really nice way to kind of highlight your worktop. In this appliance bag here, what you're used to probably seeing is a combi and an oven. Also have is an extra deep warming drawer. So if you like to proof bread, this is a great option. If you have maybe like a big pot that you like to just keep warm, it's great for that too. Here we have another oven. So this is an under counter length slide and hide oven. As seen on Bake Off. We hope you enjoyed this tour of this matte light grey kitchen from Pronom, designed by Finchley Kitchens. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.